putting the anchor up. Now, make your way over here. And then that one's done. Then I just get up here. And then that's it. Done. So basically what's happening is I'm pulling up the anchor from here where my foot is just there, and it's coming into here, into that hatch there, and then it just comes up. There's about 14 meters of chain out. Bro, it's all muddy and my mum's squirting it. It's on me, bro. When we put the anchor up, then the dinghy, or the dinghy then the anchor, and now we've left, what was it called?
Double Bay.
Double Bay, East Double Bay, and now we're heading to Gloucester on the mainland thing. But yeah, it's pretty squally and stuff. Not a good day to sail, but the winds are pretty light. So, yeah. So we're still going, but it's a lot more rough now. Like, look at this.
Think we'll deploy the head sail now?
So it looks like we're going to put out the head sail on the right side. I'll show you guys that. Now going through Gloucester Passage, Gloucester Island's over there, and the mainland's there, and we're going around there to a place called, what was it?
Gloucester Resort or something.
Gloucester Resort or something. Yeah, so that would be fun. But the bad thing is you have to pay $25 per night. So on the mooring pool, so I'll show you that. And you have to come through this passage at either high tide, at the very high tide, which we are doing, because otherwise there's going to be a lot of current, and you can get spun around, and there'll be 2 to 3 knots of current. So we've come here on the very high tide. So yeah. And that is now the end of the video. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow with my next one. Don't know what it's going to be, but I guess we'll have to find out if you come along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my YouTube channel. And that's the end.